there's the log pile. Logs buried in the snow. I guess it's a good thing we got logs buried in the snow. Lean-to, she gone. Sawmill shed needs a redo. I guess that'll keep us busy in the summertime here once the snow melts. Have to look at everything over here and figure out where to make the next one, next design better. Doesn't look like it hurt the mill at all, but we won't know until we get this cleaned up for sure. So, anyways, that's a little bit of a bummer, but lesson learned. Here's one of the corner posts. So other corner would be over there. So basically, I guess the weight of the snow, as it was melting and sliding off, it just pulled it that way. Oh well. Well, as you can see, I got two pieces of tin up there. Got some boards removed. I got more tin over there. Just assessing the damage here from the collapse. Looks like the tank has been bent a little bit. But other than that, oh, and it's off the tracks here, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get her back on here. That wheel is off. That seems to be the only wheel on, so try to get her back on here. So I got the mill back on. Water tank seems to be bent down just a little bit, but it's still usable. One of the lifting points on that side must have taken some weight when the building fell over, and the manual box with the little gloves and eyeglasses and earplugs came off from there. So I guess we kind of dodged a bullet in the sense that the mill is still operable and nothing's majorly damaged, and I got her back on the tracks. Tarp cover here got some holes in it from the weight when the anchor points went through, but oh well, away it goes. And I've already been thinking about the rework here, redesign. Gonna need bracing lower down on the structure on 3 of the sides for sure.